What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about VGX Voyager token, which has pumped up 33%, nearly 34% in the last 24 hours, currently trading at just about 42 cents guys. As you can see, since about late last night it started pumping up in value out of nowhere, and it's still ongoing right now. So how high is it gonna go? And for those of you looking at it who missed the boat, is it a good time to invest? Is it too late? That's what we're going to be going through in today's video. And for those of you who already own it, is it time to sell, or is it just time to hold on to it? So we're going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, and of course looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023. Looking at, can it hit the dollar mark? Can it hit the $2 mark by the end of the year? Looking at how high can this crypto go, and looking at, can it give you a decent amount of return on investment if you do decide to get into the crypto. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently on the Coinbase website, and as you can see, the market is up just over a percentage in the last 24 hours, and Voyager token has managed to gain the second spot in the top gainers list, which is absolutely insane. In the last hour itself, 0.1%, nothing major. Over the last day, 35%, over the week 35%, and over the month it is just about 12% up. As you can see, it did pump up in value in December, around mid-December, straight away dropped back down in value, and right now has gone through a major peak in value. So what is next? Or is it going to crash back down? You know, when a crypto does pump up in value so much, not most of them, but some of them do straight away drop back down in value. So what is VGX's next target is what we're going to be going through today. So going into the CoinMarketCap website, we can see the trading volume has also gone up by a massive 700% in the last 24 hours, making it $60 million in trading, which is a huge increase in trading, meaning a lot more people are currently trading the crypto, more buyers, more sellers, and in general a lot of traders, as it is getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype, so more and more people are looking into it as well. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Voyager token, which at the moment is just under 32 cents. However, we can see it trading at a much higher value here at 42 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors. But before I get into all of that guys, just a little disclaimer as usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So what do we have here? We've got the blue and the orange line going in a bullish direction, looking quite positive, meaning an overall increase in value is what I'm expecting from VGX over the coming 12 to 14 hours. However, in between that time, do expect dips guys. Red candles are always part of the process, and as you can even clearly see here, peaked up in value yesterday, took a little dip, peaked again, dip, peaked again, dip. So it's a repeated cycle. Dips are always part of the process. I can't stress this enough. But whenever you guys see a crypto going up in value, a lot of you seem to think, you know what, it's going to consistently be hitting green candles. But no guys, red candles are always part of the process. I'm expecting it to drop back down below the 40 cents target as well over the next couple of hours. And guys, it is likely to increase in value overall over the next 12 to 14 hours towards the end of the day today, but do expect red candles in between, where it's likely to hit about 36-37 cents as well, and then peak back up to nearly hitting about 44 to 45 cents as well. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? We've got the blue and the orange line still looking bullish, going in a positive direction. However, it is looking very steep, going in a bullish direction, which only means one thing: it is not realistic. And yes, I agree with that it's not realistic, because I'm not expecting it to keep pumping up in value over the coming days, over the next 7 days, 8 days. So by mid next week, what I'm expecting from VGX is an overall drop in value, guys. Yes guys, I'm expecting it to be trading at a lower value than what it's worth at the moment. Again, That doesn't mean we're going to be consistently hitting red days for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are going to have green days when it's going to pump, red days when it's going to drop. But unfortunately, at the moment, my predictions over the next 7 days, so let's say by mid next week, we should be trading around the 34 to 35 cents is what my expectations and my predictions are at the moment. Even though we are seeing the blue and the orange line going in a bullish direction, it's looking too steep that it's not realistic. And again, the only reason why we're seeing bullish lines going in a steep direction is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph seems to think that, you know what, this crypto is going to keep pumping. It's pumped up so much, it's going to keep going that same way. However, that is not the case. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Again, we do have the blue line looking a little bit too steep. However, the orange line is still going in a bullish direction, not looking as steep. So yes, guys, an overall increase in value is what I'm expecting from Voyager token over the coming weeks. So here I'm talking about late February to early March 2023. I'm expecting Voyager token to be way above the 50 cents target. Again, it is going to dip in between, but it's going to be a slow and steady increase in value, potentially going way above the 50 cents target. Of course, depending on how the crypto market performs, such as if there's any major crashes or major bull runs and price pumps, this will have a major positive or negative impact on the value of VGX and the most cryptos out there as well. But if I am able to predict anything like that, I will make sure to keep you guys updated as soon as I can and as much as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Voyager token. Let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you can see, we are currently trading in the red zone, and for us to hit the resistance target to head into the green zone, we're going to have to hit $1.87. Again, it may look like we are far away from there, but again, guys, yes, we are, but we are also not. So because we've got a good 11.5 months left for the end of the year, guys, it is very, very possible or likely for it to head into the green zone towards the second half of the year. Yes, it's going to take its time. We're going to have to give it a good 6 to 8 months for it to hit that target, but personally, it should be able to hit over the $1 mark by mid-year and potentially head into the green zone towards the end of the year, meaning hitting around the $2 mark towards the very end of the year is what my predictions are on Voyager token. If the crypto market managed to move towards a positive direction, unlike last year where it was literally dropping most of the time, and yeah, it's been a major drop last year, but hopefully this year we can recover and hit more green candles and hit more all-time highs, and obviously break out from the red zone. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions from Voyager token, guys. What I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below what your expectations are from this crypto. What is the highest figure this crypto can hit in 2023? Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. So make sure to like, subscribe, share, comment, and all of that stuff, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.